Installing the finger guard on the 7-ton press. Start off by removing the bolts that mount the control box onto the press. You will need a 1/8 Allen wrench to unmount these bolts. The finger guard comes with bolts that take place of the old mounting bolts. After removing the bolts, make sure you can lift the control box off of the press. On your finger guard, you'll notice a thin, protective film over it. It is your choice to take it off or leave it on. Lift your control box and put the finger guard underneath. Line up the mounting bolts. And place the bolts in. Make sure each bolt is in its threaded slot, then tighten down all the way. For extra safety, you can add caution tape or any other vibrant tape to let the user know that the edge is right there. Now your finger guard is installed. It is a perfect safety feature to keep your hands out from the pressing action of the machine.